Menangle for Menangle, Part 2. Rapid Endeavour departing for a Moscow service. Next station, McDonald's Park, followed by Picton. And I'm joined here by Western Line Transport Vlogs, Glenn's Transport Vlogs, BTV Ben's Transport Vlogs, and New South Wales Trains Vlogs. Subscribe to those channels. Oh yes, that horn. We have an Endeavour arriving onto platform 1. It is a Central Sydney terminal service, I believe. The set is N14. Endeavour set N14 now departing Central Sydney terminal service. We have run number 1225 passing. 81 classes, leading a coal train. $81.58, $81.61. We have LDP 001 leading. XDP 001. We have the Southern Highlander passing. I mean the Highlander. GR112. And we have an Endeavour arriving for a Campbelltown service. The set is N10.
N10 is leading.
Endeavour set N10 now departing Campbelltown service. Next station Menangle Park, then Macarthur, then Campbelltown. should have 4 PS7 passing platform 1. TT104. TT101 is the trailing locomotive. It is a limestone train. Anyway guys, time for me to wrap up the vlog. Please like, subscribe and feel free to request a station for me to film at. Please subscribe to my friends New South Wales Trains Vlogs, GTV Glenn's Transport Vlogs, Western Line Transport Vlogs and BTV, thank you, no worries, and BTV Ben's Transport Vlogs. And thank you all so much for watching. Hope you guys have a lovely day, and I will see you all next time.